Do you want to know the points you should keep in mind while visiting a PEB plant? In our last video, we told you that we'll give you all the details, so here it is. This is Anupam Agrawal from Durga Steel Group. Today, we have a very stringent quality checks at various levels of our production, dispatches and installation. So from those experience, we thought like to share with you the things you should keep in mind during a plant visit while choosing a right vendor in PEB. Here comes the first one. The cutting machinery. Usually the HR fabrication is done like through plate cutting. So please ensure that they have a CNC plasma cutting machine in place so that the finishing and cutting is very precise. Then comes the welding type and the welding machine. Please ensure that the welding which is getting done is through H-beam line. Through H-beam line it is all automated and the quality of fabrication is very good. And the welding is also of SAW, which ensures the quality and the strength in the built up sections. Then comes the consumables. Please ensure that what kind of consumables are being used. For example, the welding spools and all, ensure that they are using of a DNH or a you can say Ador, these type of companies, because the local this consumables item can reduce the quality of the product and the strength. Third, please ensure that the paint system which they are using it should be of through compressor, because hand painting and all doesn't give good life. So please ensure that what kind of painting they are doing in the plant while visiting. Last but not the least, please ensure that they have a proper documentation of the quality checks at each steps. You can ask for that quality check document and ensure that in future, if you place the order, you can check all the quality as per that document. I hope this video will be helpful for you in while you visit a PEB plant of any manufacturer. So thank you so much for watching us, and do share this video and like us. Thank you so much. Anupam Agrawal signing off.